A woman terribly burned at a very young age has learned an ancient art to erase her physical scars. Cynthia Mulligan is here now with her incredible story. Cynthia.
Gord, just wait until you meet Basma Hameed. As a toddler, she was forever scarred in a horrible kitchen accident. Today, she uses her skills as a tattoo artist to mask those scars. But her story runs much deeper than concerns about physical appearances. Now she's helping others with scarring, not only with how they look, but how they feel.
We live in a society where beauty is everything. So, and especially for women, it's a little bit more difficult. And we're constantly being judged.
Basma Hameed knows that painful truth better than most. When she was just 2 years old, her 6-year-old brother accidentally spilled boiling oil on her in the kitchen.
This was actually a couple of days before the accident happened.
She went from this beautiful, smiling little girl to this one.
I just remember being rushed to the ER, and the doctor at the time, they were concerned about my vision. So he just tried to open my eye because it was glued shut from the oil.
How many surgeries did you have?
Over 100. I had skin grafts, I had laser resurfacing, I had hair transplant, tissue expansion.
You went through hell.
Yes, I did.
That hell was physical and psychological. Basma was bullied by other children because of her scars. She was stared at constantly and afraid to leave home. When she was 16, this is what she looked like. Doctors told her there was nothing more they could do. But that's when Basma decided to take matters into her own hands. She did some research and came up with the idea of using the art of tattooing to erase the red.
I decided to mix colors that match my skin and tattoo it into the scar tissue.
Did you actually do this yourself?
Yes.
That's right. She did the tattooing herself. It took 12 sessions and 2 years. This is her before. This is her after.
It was the most amazing thing I've ever done for myself till this day.
Now, Basma is a certified tattoo artist. She does cosmetic procedures like permanent eyebrows, which she's doing here for a client right now. But she also does scar camouflage to help others who, like herself, have had a lot to overcome.
So today we'll mix those two colors.
People like Anita, a breast cancer graduate who went through a double mastectomy and reconstructive surgery, which left her with angry red scars. Basma is working her tattoo magic on her.
And how do you think that will help you mentally, psychologically?
I think psychologically, when I don't have to look at the scars that are, you know, the telltale evidence of having gone through something huge and traumatic, I'll be able to just sort of put it behind me.
So it's hit and miss until you find the exact color combination that you want.
You have to blend a couple of colors, swatch it right next to a scar or right on top of it to see exactly.
Anita's had 1 session with Basma so far.
We're expecting 2 more treatments yet.
And you've noticed an improvement already?
I have noticed an improvement.
I love it because, you know, you're helping people who are in similar situations.
And if those patients can't afford the fee, which can be up to $400 a session, Basma will often donate her time to help them out, because she remembers how devastating stares can be.
How old are you there?
I was probably 3 years old.
It looks so painful.
It probably was, but I still had a smile on my face.
Yeah.
My biggest thing is always the #1 rule, always accept it so you can move on. And that's what makes life much, much more easier.
So that little girl who was bullied at school, she's doing okay now?
She's doing great. Very, very happy and very grateful for everything.